Very good, dear. Very good, dear. Mute. You once you answer, immediately
Role
mute
of
yourself.
government in health.
Very good, dear. Once you answer, you mute yourself. Don't unmute. And okay, what is mean by health? Do you have any idea what is mean by health? One of you just unmute yourself and tell me.
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice properly, ma'am.
Now can you hear? Now can you hear, Hansika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
What
our
do you mean by,
energy.
what do you mean by health? Yes, 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 yes. Mute yourself. Please don't
Ma'am,
say
our
ma'am.
energy.
Yes, our energy.
We treat ourselves, ma'am.
Okay. We treat ourselves and our energy. Okay. Government, what is a part of our government work under the healthcare system? Which means our government, how it is working for health for the citizens of India. Have you ever visited government hospitals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
No, ma'am.
So that I can see.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You have visited private hospitals also. Ma, please unmute yourself so that. Ma, please don't mute. It will be disturbance for all.
Good morning.
Hello, who's that? So you'd have already visited. Please unmute yourself. I said. Either I will remove you from the team. So actually, you would have visited government hospitals and private hospitals also, isn't it? So in case of government hospitals and private hospitals, you'd have come to know what are the difference between these two. So now I'm going to share you a link here. You are going to answer me what the difference you have noted down in government hospital as well as in private hospitals. Okay, I'll share your link right now.
And World Health Organization.
I will tell you, I will share a link right now. Your answer should be in that link, dear. Okay, I'll share you right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, dear, I'll share you the link.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't keep on chatting in the chat box so that whatever I am sharing may not be visible to you. Okay, I have shared a link here. Open this link. Open this link. In the bottom left corner, there will be a plus symbol in pink color. Could you open that? Open the link.
Ma'am, where, ma'am?
I have sent in chat box, dear. Open it.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to chat box and open the link. Padlet, https padlet.com is given, no? Just open that link.
Ma'am, I didn't received, ma'am. Ma'am, my fancy Padlet, ma'am.
Yes, dear, that only, dear. Exactly, dear. I will show my screen also how you can open it.
Okay, ma'am.
In your class,
I am opening,
See my
ma'am.
screen, dear.
Ma'am, I am open it, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Very good. Open it, dear. Open it
Ma'am, I
and
opened, ma'am.
I also
opened, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also opened it, ma'am.
If you don't want to reply that you have opened, you just answer there. Everyone will be visible. I will open with my screen also so that you can easily see the answers of your friends too. You just click the plus symbol and post your answers here.
Okay, ma'am.
Could you see the platform?
Title, ma'am.
Have you seen? Have you seen?
We should open with the Chroma, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Do it. Yes, Yogesh has answered.
Ma'am?
What is the difference between these hospitals? Type, Yogesh. Very good. And others? Who's doing?
Ma'am, I am doing, ma'am. I have doubts,
Yes,
ma'am.
type the answers alone. You don't want to write
Ma'am,
the
I am
entire
also
sentence.
doing, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Do it, dear.
Ma'am, we should open with the Chroma, ma'am.
Open with Chrome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nandini ma'am மட்டும் add பண்ணல. Later we will add. You just type only the word alone, dear, which means, for example, I could say water facility will be available. In private hospitals, it will be available better. We have AC rooms there, air conditioned rooms. But in government hospitals, we may not have such kind of affordability. So in that way, just write only the
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
point alone. You don't want to write as a sentence. So here Uday Narayan said that we have AC room. Very good, Uday. Next, any other thing? And private hospital. Can you see my screen so that you can see my friends' answers also? You don't want to unmute here. You just type the answers alone. Who has unmuted? Mute yourself, ma. Mute
Excuse me, ma'am.
Get much money. Yes, very good. Whose answer is very nice. I expected this reply. We have to spend lot of money in private hospital rather in government hospitals. Very good, dear. And Yogesh, the difference is government hospital. Yes, charging no price. You have this point. Very good, dear. Next. Availability will be high.
Ma'am, I have posted one thing, ma'am.
Yes, dear. You just post it. I'm seeing everything so that everybody also view it because I'm sharing here. And so government hospital not clean. Yeah, very good. Private hospitals clean. Very nice. Super. Next, there is maximum charges collected in private hospitals. Very good point. And next is comfortability. Yes, very good. Anytime, any place they can serve you. But in government hospitals, if you go anywhere, it will consume lot of time for the treatment. Very nice answers. Next, hygienic facility. Superb. You have very good hygiene in private hospitals as compared to public. And what is next? You do not government. Yes, you more so that only many people used to prefer private hospitals. Government hospitals, yes, charges again, charges is also. Next, AC. Yes, my dear friend, very good answers you made.
Should, ma'am.
Very good answers you made it, children. Very good. Really, I didn't expect such answers from you all. Really, I think you have understood the concept what we are going to see right now. My dear, please come back to your teams. Enough. Dear, please mute yourself. Who has unmuted? Please come back to your screen, dear.
Ma'am, I have posted again one answer, ma'am.
Posted. Okay, dear. I will share it in the WhatsApp group also and also in the team also at the end of this session. Whatever you have posted in that will be shown to everyone. so that everyone will appreciate you and your effort. So don't worry about it. And let us move on to the concept thoroughly right now. Please come back to the session. Come to my screen. Come to my screen. I'm sharing my screen. No, close the Padlet and come to my screen, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, come fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Do you feel very
Ma'am, came, ma'am.
interesting with this Padlet answering?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I am
Yes,
very
ma'am.
interesting.
ma'am.
Very good, dear. Very good, dear. I will introduce then
Yes,
and
ma'am.
there like this and things to be done in the class, okay? So that you feel very interesting, even interactive in the online classes also. You will be learning a lot. I already
Yes,
in the
ma'am. It's
first
very
class
fun.
itself, yeah, in the first class itself, I told you, no, you will be learning along with social science certain few computer things also, so that it will be very helpful for you. Can you see my screen, dears? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am.
see, whatever. Yes, dear, please mute yourself. I'm
Ma'am,
going to
can
start the chapter.
ma'am,
Yes,
can
please.
you post
Ma'am,
these
everything I will
videos?
post it here at the end of the class. I will post whatever you have posted right now in the Padlet, and also this mind map also I will post it.
Okay, ma'am.
This mind map will you cannot search
Okay,
anywhere.
ma'am.
It is available nowhere. I prepared myself. This is for you. So I will surely post it in WhatsApp as well as in Teams app also.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
don't worry about it. And next thing is,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, and also I will post this recorded class session also. Don't worry about it, about the materials. And yes, and I have also attached in this team the classwork. You can also see your files and you can get your classwork from the teams itself. And also
Ma'am,
I will post it everything in WhatsApp and Teams.
Okay,
You
excuse
don't
me,
want
ma'am.
to
Okay,
yes,
ma'am.
dear.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
there was an assignment I saw in the tab, ma'am.
Yes, dear, you have to complete that assignment. At the end of the every session, I will be giving assignment to you. It is nothing but already I attached quiz questions. No, that questions will be given as assignment to you. Both the assignment you should complete whenever the session gets over.
Okay,
Within the next session, you should complete your class and your assignments. Don't worry about the textbook. I send textbook also in as ebook to you. I'll provide you all the facilities. You don't worry about anything. You just simply study. That's enough. I'm ready to help you in all the ways. We will start the session, dear.
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
getting late.
Yes,
Role
ma'am.
of the
Yes,
government in
ma'am.
health. It is the second chapter in civics, dear. You know what is government. Government is nothing but it has some rules and regulations. Please, dears, mute yourself until I say unmute. Everybody mute yourself. I have started the chapter. So, as you know, government is nothing but it consists of rules and regulations and a group of people to rule over a country. Okay, here, how far
Okay,
our
ma'am.
government take part in the health session? Okay, health means is nothing but our capacity to stay free from disease and wounds. Okay, how we
WHO example.
yes, dear.
World Health Organization.
Yes, exactly. In such a way only, in such a way only we have to stay free always. Now see, it's corona time. How we are taking care of our health, that is also called as health. We are taking immune power balanced food, and we are staying safe at home, and we are taking all of the health measures even from the home. So this is also a kind of taking care of our health. And also our government also plays vital role here. Our government is making laws for the whole state. Please mute yourself, I say. Our government also trying to lock down everyone and ask everyone to stay safe and healthy. They are providing certain kind of medicines to us to take care of our health. So in such a way, in a country, government must play an important role of in concerning with people's health. And the next is, how about our country? Okay, healthcare in India. So India is the out of 10 largest doctor producers. India is out of 10 biggest doctor producers in the world. As you know, many people are going to Philippines or some other countries to study medicine. In such a way only, India also providing lot of doctors. Okay, we have that much of medical colleges to study and to serve in medical field. So this is how India is do, and also it is providing less cost. All the treatment it is providing at less cost as compared to other
Not
countries.
clear, ma'am.
That is called as medical tourist. That is called medical tourist. Most of the people or coming from abroad countries to our country to getting treated for their diseases, because um, it is very low at cost as compared to other countries when they go for treatment. Okay, that is called as medical tourist. Medical tourist is term which means the tourist from, that is the people from other countries, in case of medicine, for getting treatment, they are coming to our country and they are getting medicines. Okay, and also we have different type of medical terms like allopathy, ayurveda, and siddha. This kind of medical terms also we have. So we have and also you would have seen the film Era Marivu, isn't it? Many of you would know about that. So India is the first country which has all the medicines, even for uncurable
Ma'am, I
diseases.
can't hear your voice, ma'am.
Can you hear right now? Please see your network signal, dear. Please you see your network signal. So in that film also it has been shown that Bodhidharma, he was came from India and he had all the medicines for all the diseases. So India is that much a special country which has all kind of medicines for all kind of diseases. Okay, here next one is, we have in case of healthcare services in India, we have two types of healthcare service. One is public healthcare service, another is private healthcare service, which you people now answer, differentiate. No, the same thing is given here. First is a chain of healthcare centers and hospitals run by the government. It is run by government and it provides the facility to all the people, those who are even poor. One of you has answered that, ma'am, I will not go to uh, government hospitals like that. Some of you have answered in that Padlet. So you are provided with money, so you are not going to the private government hospitals. But just consider poor people, those who are getting daily wages from their work. They, if they are suffering with a cold or cough or fever, they cannot go to private hospital as it is expensive. They wanted to depend on government hospitals, which means the government hospital should provide the facilities that are equal to private hospitals, isn't it? So these are the lacking things that our country are far behind from privatization. Okay, so private hospitals, if you see, government doctors can run their own clinics. So the doctors, they can put their own capital, that is money, and they are running their own hospitals. And the next is, the facilities here are meant for the rich people, and it is they that are not good for economically poor. Economically means those who are not having money cannot get their treatment in the private hospital. This is a situation that is now in India. Okay, this is a situation that we are facing. So how can we rectify all these things? In your book, there is a story of Hakim Sheikh. He was a man who will be having poor background. Ma, please mute yourself. I could hear the noise. Even I could see you. Who's that? but I don't want to say the name. Please mute yourself. So, Hakim Sheikh, he was a man. Who lived in West Bengal. Once he was injured and got road accident. He tried to go to government hospital at that time, and when he has gone to government hospital, he was rejected from the hospital as there is no place to admit him and to be treated. So he just spent his entire money which he has saved in his lifetime, and he got treatment in a private hospital. After getting treated, after his disease become cured, what he did, he went to the court and he filed case against government hospital that this hospital didn't treat me, so that I've spent lot of money as I'm poor, I couldn't do this. Please, I want a refund of that money that I have spent for the private hospital. Like that, he filed a case against it. Court also accepted his case, and also the government of West Bengal refunded the money that Hakim Sheikh has paid for the private hospitals, because everybody is not wealthy, everybody is not rich enough. So all the government hospitals should have the facilities that are already existing in private hospitals. And also, nowadays I think it is little bit improving as compared to early days, as compared to Hakim Sheikh period. Now it is better, I think, because based on the example I'm saying here, the government of Kerala, in 1996 they started a project that that they try to go to all the villages around their place, and their government officials checked whether they have Anganwadis, that is the healthcare center. Usually in villages there won't be much more hospitals. Instead of hospitals, we used to say it as PHC, which means primary health care center. In case of cold or cough or basic health issues, the people used to go there, and that PHC will be governed by a nurse and a compounder, we used to say. And also their qualification as RMP, that is registered medical practitioner. Okay, he who registered medical practitioner. They are not actually doctors, MBBS doctors. They are not actually MBBS doctors, but they were registered as medical practitioner. Okay, they know simply to inject people, to give the basic medicines like paracetamol, or DART to the people, to cure their basic disease like headache, body pain, feverish, cold, all these things. Okay, in villages, in rural areas, nowadays also we have only PHCs, not hospitals, in many areas of our country. You should note down this actually. Okay, while I'm teaching, if you have any doubts, post it in your chat. Okay, and or else if you have
Okay,
any
ma'am.
problems with the terms that I am saying, that also post it in the chat. Say okay also in the chat while I'm teaching. And next is
Okay.
so in the sake of developing the government hospitals and healthcare services done by Indian government, Kerala took this step to check then and there, to check how the water is the quality water the people are drinking, or the women education. Women should be educated, because on those days, women are not that much respected, because nowadays women are studying and they are going for work and everywhere. But on those days, women are always keep on staying at home. People won't take care of women, because as they are staying at home, they are preparing what is the work they have, they are staying at home. So we don't want to take care of women. Like that only the people's mind was will be. So they were not took care of women. Even the women at a home, if they are getting headache, You just think about it at your mom. If your mom is suffering with severe headache or fever or else fever, mostly your mom won't ask to go to hospital, ask your father or you to make use of any help from you people. She will not think of that. She will be keep on cooking for you, and she will be keep on, it's okay. If you say your mom that, ma'am, I'm sorry mom, I will do this, you are suffering with fever, you are suffering with cold, so I will help you, like that, if you go near to the mom, she will never accept it. She'll simply say, I will take care of it. You go and study. You do your work. I will manage it. This would be her replies. So on those days, women were treated in such a way. But nowadays, in your home also, you people also sometimes will go to your mom and will help you. But on those days, the period was not like that. Okay, the people will be mostly don't care of women's health issues. Okay, but now it is entirely different. Nowadays we are taking care of your parents, grandparents, and those who are brothers, sisters at home. Even though they are fall sick, we are moving to the hospital and treating them in a proper way. So here, the same way, so in such a way only the least care of health was least amount of care was taken by the people to take care of women, so that women's education is must. So from 1996 only Kerala government started looking after all these things. Now it is 2020 we are living in. So we could see that many advancement. We could see the women's education and also the healthcare, how it is improved. We know few of the tablets and few of the medicines that to be taken when we are sick. We know all these things. So this is one of the examples to change, to increase government healthcare centers. And private healthcare centers are keep on increasing. Ma'am, you are always speaking about to improve government healthcare services, that is public healthcare services, but private healthcare services only keep on increasing. In our place also we could see one government hospital and as many private hospitals only. How it is possible? Because many doctors are living here, as I told you already. In India we have biggest numbers of doctors, so they are graduating every year. So they are starting their own clinics. In case if they are starting their own clinics, the private hospitals are keep on increasing. Everybody in the city, imagine just simply Kumbakonam, we have n number of peoples here. If we are sick, you know very well, every day you are seeing in news also, due to corona there is no place for the people to admit in the hospital. So we are looking for some other place like that. So government hospitals have no enough space, because we have in Kumbakonam we have only one government hospital. In that one government hospital, how it is possible to treat everyone in the place? So we have to increase government hospitals also in a place. In case of village, you imagine, please mute yourself, someone turned on. In case of village, you see, we have only PhDs, primary healthcare service only we have. We don't have hospitals. If they have a severe attack, heart attack, these problems in village, people may have, one of them may have a heart attack, like that means they have to travel to the nearby town to get treating themselves. Okay, this is very difficult. So we should have all this. Our government should take care all these things, and they should set up hospitals in everywhere as compared to the private hospitals. Okay, this is a only solution so that every people can get benefited. So this is all about Indian government. Right now we have discussed everything. What about other countries outside of India? Costa Rica, it's a country. Costa Rica is a country in Central America. Okay, in this country, they are entirely somehow they are unique. You could say they usually every country has army service, that is military force. They used to spend every year some amount of money for military. Okay, in order to fight against the enemies, in order to safeguard their country boundaries. So, but here this unlike other countries, this Costa Rica is entirely different. They didn't spend money for developing their military forces. Instead, what they did, they spent money for the people, those who are needy. Okay, what do you mean? Needy means those who are poor. They need food. Those who didn't have adequate food to live. Those who didn't have proper health, immune problem, they are spending that money to those people. This is what ma'am, who is speaking there, mute yourself. So this is how in Costa Rica they just they took care of people's health than that of military forces, so that only this country is very here there is you could say here there is no health issues for many people. It's one of the country which is the healthiest country in the world. You could say wealthiest country means it's USA, China, like that we would say. But healthiest country in the world, you could say it is Costa Rica, because here there is very less number of people are suffering with disease, because the government is taking care of each and every people, and they're spending money for that healthcare services. Not only this pandemic period like corona, at that time only the government should spend money. It is not like that. All the time the government should take care of people health. In case if it happens means we may not get any kind of this kind of infections throughout our lifetime in the country. That is what I come to say here. Yes, Hansika, what's your doubt? You can unmute yourself and you ask.
Ma'am, village people will go to kilometers of to see the hospital, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Mostly in village, there may not be hospital. There will be only PHC, that is primary healthcare center, and nurse will use to treat the people. Okay, that's or else RMPs, that is registered medical practitioners. They are not
Ma'am,
doctors. Hmm.
ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, my native place.
If you ask your doubt, means you just mute yourself so that others can ask doubt.
Ma'am, in 1948, that period, ma'am, in that period, that syrups will be given by someone, ma'am.
That is what, dear.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, tell me. Hmm. Hello?
Ma'am, what is the difference between government and primary hospital, ma'am?
Yes. For this, I need one of you to explain her what is the difference between government and private hospitals.
Ma'am.
See the screen here. Who asked difference between government and private hospitals? See your screen. Private hospitals are run by the doctors individually, their own clinics. Government hospitals are run by the government alone. Okay. What does it mean for? You just see the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Just say your name and ask your doubt, dears.
I'm Divya Shri, ma'am.
Yes, Divya Shri.
Ma'am, in village, the government hospital only need to build, or private hospital also they can build, ma'am.
Yes, those who having the mindset of doing social service, they can also build private hospitals and they can provide medicines at low cost, because village people mostly involved in farming, so they may not have that much of. You would have seen lot of films, in
Yes, ma'am.
Vijay film also he used to say, at 1 rupee I'm going to treat all the people. So like that, you should have some fire that if you become a doctor, you should treat the people in a proper way without taking care of the money first. Okay,
Ma'am.
that is important. Yeah.
Ma'am, Mansika, ma'am.
Yes, Hansika.
Ma'am, in government hospital, government will be given so many monies to see the people's, no, ma'am.
They are not providing such medicines, or not there. That's the problem. It is not available there. Even the people are suffering. Even ICU is not available right now. If those who are suffering, there are limited beds are there to getting admitted. And I wanted to tell you another thing. I'm talking about only the people those who are getting admitted. And in case of, I wanted to ask you a question. In case if you're going for a hospital, if you have fever or or cold or anything like any aches, that is pain, if you're going to the hospital, means how you will be treated? Are you getting admitted?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. So for the basic treatments, you people are not getting admitted. So you in common, all the persons those who are going for treatment is called as doctors. Means those who are treating you. Those who are getting treatment,
Ma'am.
the persons are called as
Patients. Patients.
Patients.
superb. Nice answer. So patient. So in case you are going for basic treatment means that patients are called as outpatient department because you people are not getting admitted. Okay, if you are not getting admitted means you people are called as OPD. Yeah, in case I will tell you, if your parents nowadays, yes.
What is the full form of OPD, ma'am?
Outpatient department. You are coming from out and you are moving out. You are not going to get admitted in the hospital. You are not going to stay in the hospital. So that patients are called as OPD.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, in village you have said no, ma'am. That center. What is the full form of that center, ma'am?
Primary Health Care Center, PHC.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm. Yes, dear.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
yes,
I'm
you
Shankar
had
Ram, ma'am.
out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes.
Shankar Ram, ma'am.
Yes, Shankar, tell me.
Ma'am, I also dreaming like I'm going to be a doctor and help poor people with less money, ma'am.
Very good, dear. It's not only a dream. In future, it should happen. In order to bring our country as a developed country, as Dr. Abdul Kalam sir said. Okay, it should be developed country once you people become doctor and once you people are taking care of the whole country in a proper way. Whatever the difficulties you are finding right now in this government will be rectified by you people in the future. You people are going to rectify all these problems. Okay, hereafter there should be we should not get such disease like corona in future because you people are going to govern the governments. So these things should be you have to register in your mind what you should be done. Our parents are suffering like
ma'am,
this. Yeah,
ma'am.
Tanya, tell your doubt.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes, dear. Tell me.
What is the combined cast, ma'am?
Ma'am,
1 by 2 hours time in the line. We have 20 minutes. Yeah.
ma'am, many rich people. Ma'am, many
Huh?
rich people going. Many rich people. Many rich people going to government hospital means they put the same rate they have given to the village people, ma'am.
Yes, dear. This is what happening. Even what are all the things payment is given by the rich people. Also, the village people also paying the same amount. There is no concession for the people, village people. If they need concession, they wanted to move to government hospital. But government hospital is not provide good service. That is a problem. Yes, Lakshana, your doubt.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can't hear. Ma'am,
ma'am,
PHC means it's not a hospital, dear. It's simply
medical camp,
healthcare
ma'am.
place. That's it, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Ma'am,
Sanjana,
it
your
is
bad.
ma'am,
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I'm Raghavi, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes, Raghavi, tell
Ma'am,
me,
in the
dear.
private hospitals, they are not medical, ma'am. In private hospitals, they are not having some other medicines, right, ma'am? But government hospitals are having tablets and all, ma'am. How they are
Yes, it is
getting,
provided.
ma'am?
Yeah. Government is providing the tablets, basic tablets only the government is providing, dear. You have to see the things. Simply the basic medicines only government is providing it as free or at low cost. But in private hospitals, if you wanted to scan, where are you going? To the private concern only, to private hospitals or private laboratories only you are going for scanning. How much you are getting? Even for one scan, you are paying around 1,000 or 5,000 rupees for one scan to take. Yeah, dear. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Tell me.
Ma'am, WHO was giving more money to the government hospital, no, ma'am. Then why,
Yes,
ma'am, they
dear.
are not building a hospital in the villages, ma'am?
Yeah, that's the problem. That's what I'm telling. These are the things the government is lacking. They are not doing so. You are the people. In future, you have to arise this question and you have to ask government. Yes, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in some hospital they are.
They are.
Ma'am,
Mm. Yes, dears.
ma'am, ma'am, in some hospital.
Video after
Ma'am,
Ask in Tamil, no issues. Ask.
ma'am, ma'am, in some hospitals there the tablet is duplicate, ma'am.
Yes, dear, that is what the problem is. So that only the people are getting much of diseases. You could say this corona also because of the government carelessness spreading everywhere. So this should be absurd, and you should follow certain rules and regulation for this too.
Ma'am, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, why, ma'am? Because the tablets are duplicate.
Why they saw duplicate means because of corruption only. In order to hold money with them, some people are making fraudulent act.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I'm Shankar Ram. Ma'am, I had some doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Shankar Ram.
Ma'am, can I tell in Tamil, ma'am?
Yes, Shankar.
Ma'am, private hospital கொடுக்க வந்து government hospital கொடுப்பாங்களா ma'am?
இல்ல சங்கரா, கவர்மெண்ட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் அதே மருந்து தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஆனா உன்னோட டிசீஸ் கியூர் ஆகிறதுக்கு வந்து பேசிக் தலைவலி, ஃபீவர் அப்படின்னா அவங்க கொடுக்குற டவுட் வேற, சாரி அவங்க கொடுக்குற மருந்து வேறவா இருக்கும். இதே பிரைவேட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல நீ அதிகமா இப்ப 4 நாள் ஃபீவர் இருந்துச்சு, உனக்கு வைரல் ஃபீவர் இருக்குன்னா கவர்மெண்ட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல அதே மெடிசின் தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஆனா பிரைவேட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல ஸ்டெப் எடுத்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் எஃபெக்டிவான மெடிசின் கொடுப்பாங்க. so that you can be cured very soon.
ma'am, in government,
Ma, please someone just mute yourself. I already told you. Yes, who is doing? Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, can I talk in Tamil, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, government
Who is talking at the back?
tablets, public tablets, same, ma'am.